Hello everyone, I know exam season is on and I wanted to help you out in my own way, and today's video is exactly that. Today I'm going to be sharing with you top 10 pens under rupees 10. Under rupees 10 or for exactly rupees 10. When I went to buy these pens, I went 10 years back in my life because it was so exciting and so many of you recommended your favorite pens. I had put out this community post on the YouTube application and you guys recommended some great pens. So let's go. Spoiler alert, I am a stationery freak, which is why I could not stop myself at 10, and that's why we have 11 pens. But the 11th pen is like my most favorite pen when I used to write my board exam, so that I'll share with you in the end. So what I have with me is a mix of ball pens and gel pens, because quite a lot of you use ball and quite a lot of you use gel as well, so I decided to include both of them. So let's start with all the gel pens, because even though मेरे board exam के time पे there was a strict instruction to use only ball pens, at that time I could not adjust to a ball pen at all, क्योंकि पूरा साल भर मैंने gel pen से लिखा था. So I ended up writing with a gel pen only, and fortunately कुछ issue नहीं हुआ वैसे. But if your exam says to use a specific pen, please use that. Do not risk it like me. I was quite stupid to make that big of a risk. So yeah, let's start with gel pens. The first gel pen that I bought was Montex Sense S. The two things that attracted me the most towards this was the packaging. कि it is quite poppy, quite colorful, and इसमें ना refill का levels दिखाता है बाहर का packaging में. So that is very nice to know कि झटका नहीं लगेगा पेपर लिखते लिखते कि वो ख़त्म कैसे हो गया. You will be able to keep a track कि कितना ink है अंदर. Secondly, it's claiming कि 4 times extra writing कर सकते हैं because this has like a jumbo refill. The final thing that sold me on this pen was how smooth and how thick this is. For some reason, I really like thick nib वाले pens जिसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा ink निकल जाता है एक बार में. It's just more comfortable to write and they glide really well. So this is my first pen. Second pen was something that so many of you recommended. It's like a crowd favorite. It's Classmate ka Octane Gel. This one I had during my time as well, so I remember this pretty well. The one main reason why we would buy this pen was the luxurious feeling. इसका जो packaging है ना काफ़ी velvety है, काफ़ी अच्छा वाला feeling देता है, and it also has a rubber grip which makes it quite comfortable to write with it. The nib is not the fattest. It's not jarred at all. It's quite thin to be honest. So if you like a thin nib pen, then this one is for you. The third one is Flair ka Techno Gel. I really like when pens have like the whole Swiss technology thing in a budget, like 10 rupees. If you're gonna give me a good quality pen, I would use that for all the time. This one has a thin nib as well, but this one is super smooth. More or less, it's like your standard pen, but it's quite smooth. And the last one is also Classmate ka Octane version only, but it's the Octane Glide. Now I have never heard of this pen before, but when I tried this, it was the smoothest gel pen I've come across. It is not the fattest. इसका nib कुछ बीच का thickness है, but it's super smooth. Like, so if you ever go to buy a pen, ask the shopkeeper कि Classmate का Octane Glide बताना, and उसको paper pad पे try करके देखना. It's just so smooth. So this one comes at the number 1 rank for the gel pens for me that I've ever tried. Now let's move on to the ball pens. I wish I had all these kind of ball pens during my exam time, because somehow I'm liking these ball pens a lot more than the gel pens. For example, there's this new pen called Pentonic. मेरे टाइम पे तो ये नहीं था, ये लिंक का है, and it is good. The best part about this is इसका sleek design. It's quite lightweight, तो एग्जाम में लिखते वक्त हाथ दर्द नहीं करेगा जल्दी से. And again, this has a similar look to the Classmate का Octane, like quite similar they look. Packaging भी वैसा ही है, smooth finish वाला है, so it gives a very luxurious feeling again. Then there's a new brand called Hauser or Hauser, I don't know, its spelling is Hauser. I have never heard of this brand before or tried this before, but you recommended this to me, and that's why I asked the दुकान वाले भैया कि ये, I showed him my phone कि ये वाले brand का pen है कि like हाँ है. And when I tried this, it was quite nice. It's not very unique, मतलब मुझे बहुत out of the world नहीं लगा, but it's good. Like वो पेन को वार्म अप करने का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा. Like the second I opened it and I tried it on the paper pad, it worked pretty smooth. So it's a nice alternative if you're looking to change your brand. The third one is Montex Classic. Montex used to be my favorite ball pen when I was in school. It used to be the only ball pen which I used to be able to write with, to be honest. And they've come up with this new fancy packaging. This gives me Parker वाला feeling, क्योंकि Parkers usually इतने मोटे होते हैं और ऐसा packaging होता है. And not just the packaging, they have freaking nailed the ink. It reminds me exactly of the Montex that I used to use when I was back in school. So yeah, so far I like this ball pen the most. Then there's another brand called Dorito, and Dorito मेरे time पे भी था, but I never actually used it. So this is the first time I was trying Dorito, and this is Fanta Flow. So I was thinking like अभी YouTuber बन के मुझे brands का बहुत ऐसा update रखना पड़ता है ना. So I was trying to research कि Dorito और Fanta का collab हुआ है क्या, कि they've just named it Fanta ऐसे. I couldn't find anything, but if it is like that, then let me know. This one is also quite smooth. Actually, this one is smoother than the Montex one also. It is thinner as well. So अगर आपको ये Montex वाली smoothness एक पतले पेन में चाहिए, then this one is pretty damn good. It's pretty damn good. But the only problem is कि smudge होता है. Like अभी लिखने के 5 सेकंड बाद I swiped on it and it is still spreading. So if you have the habit of putting your hand over what you write, don't buy this. It smudges quite a bit. And next we have another Montex pen. It's called Fluid Ink. This one I actually bought because it reminded me of a pen जो मेरे dad बहुत use करते थे, and I used to love stealing his stationery. मेरे पास मेरे खुद का भंडार था stationery का, but dad का stationery चुरा के use करना was like mom का lipstick चुरा के लगाना. So because I was a stationery freak now, more than makeup, I like stationery, so I would always raid his box. So this pen reminded me of one that he used to have, and when I tried it at the store, I quite liked it. This one I like because it smudges very little, but it's still very smooth. So that is why this one is my favorite ball pen from whatever I tried in the local stationery store. Coming to the final two pens, these were the pens that I loved during my school time. Of course, इनसे better pens आ गए होंगे, but these were my cult favorites then. The first one is Cello का Butterflow. Like नाम सुन के you will go back to your school days. Honestly, जो अभी Dorito और Montex try किए ना, they are much smoother than this now. I mean, yeah, I just tried them, so it's very fresh in my mind कि they are more buttery than this. So I probably would not recommend this as a best ball pen to buy, but I don't know यार, it just makes me happy to own this. And the last pen जो मैंने last moment पे खरीदा was Reynolds का Racer Gel. This pen was literally with every other student during my exams, and the one reason why I used to buy this was because it was waterproof. Gel pen में waterproof मिलना on a budget is actually quite difficult, So when I had to use a gel pen, I knew I had to use a waterproof one. So the reason why we used to look for a waterproof gel pen was because अगर इन्विजिलेटर से पेपर चेक करते वक्त पानी गिर गया and answers मिट गए, तो अपने मार्क्स कटेंगे, because we are usually asked to use a waterproof pen. So if we don't use a waterproof pen and अगर अपने से भी एग्जाम लिखते वक्त पानी गिर गया, it is going to get erased and we will be in trouble. So try to use a waterproof pen and that will be good for us. So if you like using a gel pen and you want it to be waterproof, then Reynolds का Racer Gel is perfect. I am so proud कि after all these years, it is still such a good pen, and out of all these 11 pens that we tried, this one stands the number one for me. So my top 3 pens in this video are: at number 3 we have the Octane Glide, at number 2 we have the Montex Fluid Ink, and at number 1 we have the Reynolds Racer Gel. Do let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite pen, and I wish you all the very best for your board exams. Do subscribe for more such videos, because I'm planning to make this into a series of top 5 notebooks or whatever you want. Like if you want me to review some erasers or sharpeners or any exam related stationery, then please let me know, because I would be very happy to help you out, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye!
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but